I'll probably run out of gas just as we start this fun project.
Did you bring extra gas?
Nope. No, I'm guessing I get to do one boxelder, but I'll
enjoy that one.
Yeah. It's rotted, so we're gonna give it a good distance.
Steve-O,
Yeah.
that was a box elder you just took down.
Yes.
And yet you still treated it with glyphosate.
Yep. Because even though that stump's rotted, box elder is as tenacious as buckthorn.
Is
so
it
that'll
really?
bush right up. 100%.
You could see it was already starting to bush here.
Yep.
In these sections, and we don't want that to happen. So we want to make sure it's not getting any. Not getting any chance at survival.
Correct. And so then we'll come back in at a later date and limb all this up.
Yeah.
And all of those limbs will go on the outside of the fence line to become a further barrier.
Right, because we're going to become an impenetrable fortress.
That's the goal. But again, temporary. And what's cool about the brush fence line is that as it's decaying and pushing down, that'll be right about the time that people can, or the deer can come back in. So it'll be perfect.
This is the next one.
It doesn't touch that oak, correct?
I don't know. Let me come look.
It was too big of a hinge, but it was leaning over, and I'm not a professional. I just do what is necessary to ensure it goes in the direction I want it to go. Just a quick note that before I cut any trees out here, I always look up and I'm looking for dead limbs and such. This is just a little one, but it got me remembering just to make a comment. We've got a lot of dead branches that are hung up.
Yeah.
And when I see that, I either try to get it with a hook and then pull it down, or if I think I can drop it and it's going to drop away from me, I'll go for it. Otherwise, I just leave them, and at some point we'll get someone who really knows what they're doing. I don't want to take out the crabapple. Now that
oh yeah, we just discovered this crabapple, you guys. That's a crabapple. This is a boxelder. That's a crabapple.
All right. Because I'm going to try to keep this way and just have it maybe come that way and then roll and land basically on the other one.
Okay.
That's my theory. That's my theory.
Okay, I'm wishing you the very best.
Yeah, that's what I need, the very best. All right. That went exactly where I put it.
Almost like a professional.
Well, far from that, but safe and right on top of the other one.
And there's our crabapple, happy as can be.
Yeah. Oh, this is a good example of a small barber chair because this had a lean.
Uh-huh.
It had a lean, and I always have way too big a hinge.
Okay.
But this is where the trunk is failing and breaking before the hinge because the hinge is too big and it's too much weight leaning over. So I was watching for that, and that's why I backed up as I heard the crack, and then it went over, so it was all good. But if it's a bigger lean or if you're really not paying attention, it can split and smack back at you, and that's no good.
That doesn't sound good.
No, it's not great. As we clear this, it'll also be where we can then plant some berry producing natives, and then that's just going to draw in the turkey and the grouse in particular. That's going to be awesome.
Our fence needs quite a bit of work.
Yeah, the fence, but look at how much wider we're clearing out from it.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a nice path to
It'll
walk
make
down
it
now.
actually easier to maintain.
Yeah.
So we're doing it the right way.
Yeah, it's funny to see the open sections and then to see the part that we haven't done yet.
Right?
Like that's significant growth. Yeah. And then this is what we opened it into. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
I hope it shows up on video.
Well, we know it.
Good point.
Yeah.